Today I'm going to show you how I plan on repairing this delaminated faux leather couch. Now this is something that's been going on for several months. This couch is only a little over 2.5 years old. It is the original furniture that came with the RV. That's the side that gets the most use, and it's only happening right there where the head would rest if you're reclined. So I'm going to take a chance on repairing that. I've contacted a couple of furniture reupholstery shops today, and they are not interested in repairing it. I even told them, I said, it's residential grade furniture. I'd really like to just get it covered in leather and be done with it. And he told me it'd be cheaper for me to replace the whole thing than for him to cover this with anything. I found these, I'm not even sure what they are. It's probably just a decorative dish rag, really. But I found these at Bass Pro Shop today. And I said, well, that is exactly like the size that I need to cover up the damage and everything. So the only problem is, when it's going to draw up or wrinkle up, curl and all that. So I wanted to put something of substance on the back. So I ended up Velcroing, since I already had this material from the other ideas that I was going to do with the Louisiana and Mississippi deal. I ended up Velcroing this a little bit stiffer material to the back of this cloth, and then I'm going to put a couple of Velcro strips at the top here and fasten those to the back of the couch. So here's the almost finished product. I've got the material Velcro to the back. The only thing I've got left to do is put the Velcro strips or Velcro tabs at the top here, and then figure out where I want to position it on top back here. And I've already kind of looked at it, and I'm going to actually roll that over the back and put the Velcro on the back of the couch, and that's going to give me a dust cover effect and enable me to remove it, wash it. I can take this pleather off and throw the cloth part in the washer, and it's going to be good to go. So I've got a solid strip of Velcro all the way across there. I just got to peel that off. This is peel and stick Velcro, sticky back for fabrics. You peel it on there or put it on there and stick it on and let it sit for 24 hours, and it stays put. You can even wash it. So a solid strip across here, about an inch here and an inch here, and that's all I'm going to put here. And then inch and a quarter or so in each corner, and I think that'll hold it just fine. Let's see what it looks like when I'm done. Well, that was really quick, pretty inexpensive. The fabric that this home is where you park it. They're like less than $10 each, so you get 20 bucks there. You may have some kind of fabric laying around. That pleather was from Walmart. It was like $3. There's nothing to it. The Velcro strips are it's probably $7 or $8 tied up in those, and that's it. It's a really fast project. You're supposed to let this stuff sit about 24 hours, then you can use it. But it's going to be a while before I got to peel that Velcro off. So I'll let you know if it holds up or not, but at least it covers up the ugly. And it makes sense in an RV. Home is where you park it.